Today we begin with rectangular 6, from the simplest fully surrounded form to ordinary side shapes. We will follow rectangular 6 from the fully surrounded, tight Liberty form to the looser shapes that actually develop along the side. First, the tight Liberty rectangular 6 in the upper right. Find its vital points. There are 6 points inside. If black plays at any outside point, the 5 remaining points form bulky 5, so black still dies. The same is true for all 4 edge points. Black's only candidates are the 2 points in the middle. Life and death books call this occupying the vital point. In rectangular 6, the same 2 center points are vital for both living and killing. They are paired if the opponent takes one. Your first instinct is to take the other. So do not memorize only one marked point. Treat the 2 center points as a pair. One is the opponent's vital point and the other is yours. If black moves first at either center point, the remaining eye space is a concave 5, the so-called moon 5, and white can no longer kill. Black can live easily. Now let's see whether white can kill. When solving life and death, calculate every plausible move and the opponent's reply. Finding only the first move is not enough. After choosing a candidate, always ask what the opponent's strongest reply is and what eye shape remains after that reply. A and B are the 2 vital points. Try the left one first. Black's natural reply is the other center point. The outside choices still leave bulky 5 and fail. The outside replies leave bulky 5 and fail, so black's meaningful answer is the other center point. White cannot simply descend. Black can give Atari. This brings us to the key corner coordinates. The corner itself is 1, 1, and the points beside it are 1, 2, 2. The 2 1-twin points are paired vital points because they are the easiest places to make an eye. If the opponent takes one, take the other. That principle guides your reading even when you cannot see the answer immediately. That paired point habit gives you a direction for reading. When one 1-2 point is occupied, examine the other immediately. Here, the outside liberties are completely filled. Black cannot give Atari, the move has no liberty and is captured. Black is dead. So against tight liberty rectangular 6, white plays the placement at 2-2-2. If black takes one center point, white takes the other, leaving bulky 5. Black still dies. That move kills. But most life and death problems have exactly one correct first move, so after finding it, also ask why the other candidates fail. Practical positions may have more than one workable answer. In a composed problem, there is usually only one correct first move. Practical positions may allow more than one, but you should still test why every serious alternative fails. We proved A, now test B. It is both a center vital point and a 1-2 point, but black can occupy the other center point. B looks convincing because it is both a center point of rectangular 6 and a 1-2 eye-making point. The corner, however, gives black a special resource. White must descend. Black uses the corner to throw in at 1-1, creating a ko. Ko techniques using the 2-1 and 1-1 points are extremely common in basic life and death. Watch the coordinates. Black uses 2-1 and then the 1-1 corner point to create the ko. This pattern appears repeatedly in basic corner life and death. Never stop reading when a ko or mutual life is possible. Beginners often overlook these two defenses, even when the first move looks easy. Two defensive results are easy to miss when you begin reading: a co-resistance and mutual life. Do not stop because the first move looks obvious. Keep reading until both defenses have been ruled out. B lets black make ko, so A is clearly better. That settles the tight liberty rectangular 6.